Hey guys, how you doing? Dirty Birds are back. And disappointing week for the Philadelphia Phillies. They lost 5 in a row up to this point. And it just hasn't been a good interleague last couple of series. At home, they were at home too. They played, first they played Boston Red Sox, and then they had the Los Angeles Angels. Both teams on top of their divisions in the AL, so we knew it wasn't going to be easy, but we still thought we'd win more than 1 out of 6 games.
Definitely, definitely you gotta expect it. It's not a guarantee that we're going to go 6-0. I mean, that's pretty tough to go against the Angels and the Red Sox. But the way we started off, we beat Boston right off the bat. Had a great game. Really took it to them and really had a great game. But then after that,
our defense and our offense really didn't produce much at all.
We're not hitting lately. Of course, Utley, well, he did finally break out of his 0-for-24 slump, but he's not hitting, and neither is Howard or Burrell. No one's really hitting right now. So
everyone really needs to start turning it on. No one's really been. I think Rollins has been doing okay. He's like really the one that's been really hitting good, but. We really do. There's nothing else we can really do. Our bullpen is still doing extremely well, and our starters
they've been doing a little better. Myers, well, he did not so bad the last time, but he still didn't do great.
Like our starters are pitching good. It's just our offense. They just can't get enough runs. Like if they got like 4 or 5 runs, we would have won like 3 of those games.
Yeah, but if even if we got to score runs when, of course, they're always when Adam Eaton pitches, because we know he can barely do anything. But he, of course, hasn't been pitching good like usual.
Well, we're a good home team, so I expected us to win at least like a couple games. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I thought we'd get maybe. I thought at least we could take 2 from Boston.
Yeah, we won the first.
But then I thought maybe then we could hopefully at least take 2 from the Angels. But we didn't take 2 from anybody. We didn't take 2 at all. So that's definitely not what we wanted to do. They just need to get back on track. Need to get back in the cages. Start trying to hit better. Hopefully that'll start tonight with against Oakland. Another West Coast swing. It's going to be Jamie Moyer, who's been one of the more dependable starters we had. So it'll be him versus Joe Blanton, who's 3-10 for the A's, so at least that's in our favor.
We just got to score some runs for Moyer, and I think we'll be fine.
Yeah, I think as long as we can get him a couple runs, I think we should be good. So hopefully we get Moyer some runs, support him, and hopefully we can at least win 2 out of 3 versus Oakland, but it's going to be tough.
Yeah, the Marlins cut the lead in half because of our horrible play, and luckily last night we had a day off. The Mets lost. Braves lost, and I think the Nats lost too. Close game over there.
And speaking of the Nationals, they almost beat the Angels. Like, if they would have beaten them, I would have just like been really mad because Nationals are terrible. I think for like 3 of their runs were Willie Harris was responsible for. So like, I don't know. We really have to improve. Hopefully we can do it against Oakland. I'm definitely thinking we can.
But the Angels, they're a very, very good road team. I think they have the best win percentage on the road, so we knew it was going to be tough for us, but I think we still should have taken some at home. But we'll be on the road in Oakland. We're good, kind of a good road team too. Not the best, but we're not that bad on the road.
Yeah, hopefully maybe we could solve this problem. Not sure yet until it gets close to train down, which is still 6 weeks away, but said the Phillies are interested in Brian Fuentes from Colorado, closer, and CC Sabathia from the Indians because they're out of the race, not really in it. So if we got Sabathia, I think that'd be huge.
That would be. I guess
Fuentes would definitely make a
be the odd man out, and I guess out of me, he'd be off the team or something. I don't know what we do with him if we got CC. Or maybe Myers would go back in the bullpen.
I think that's what I would do. Like, Eaton, he pitched bad last start, but once in a while he'll give you a decent start, and
Myers will too,
so we'll just wait and see what happens. If Myers is doing a little better, leave him in there and take Eaton into the bullpen. But
it's going to take a lot to get CC though.
They're going to need to give up a lot of prospects. A lot of prospects are going to take to get him. I don't know if the Phillies are going to be willing to go the portion of their farm system to get them. So the Collins and Brewers are also interested, so that's not good. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Hopefully we turn it around and don't need them just in case we can't get them. But I think Fuentes we could probably get. They're saying like we're all from Fabio Castro, which I would do because I mean he's young, but Fuentes is a proven pitcher. So
I guess he'd set up for.
Yeah, he definitely set.
Because
Him and Romero.
Tom
probably.
Gordon is.
Get rid of him.
Give him to him.
Yeah, I think he's kind of worn out his welcome here, but I guess that
either of them, if we get either of them, I'd be happy. Like I know we give up a lot to get CC. If we don't have to give up that much to get Fuentes, I guess I'd be happy getting Fuentes. I think he's a great upgrade from Tom Gordon.
Yeah,
definitely. So I think it'd be a good move for us to get him.
But we'll keep an eye out on trades and stuff when the deadline gets closer. Since it's only about 6 weeks away, we'll probably bring a video and highlight all the major trades when they happen down the line. But that's pretty much it. Philly's playing Oakland tonight. Hopefully we can win.
Definitely, that'd be a huge win. We need definitely to start swinging the bats a lot better.
Yeah, so hopefully that happens, and I guess we'll just have to see if we can keep get better hitting and
have some good pitching from Moyer. Hopefully he can go deep into the game for us in Oakland. So that'll wrap us up. We'll be back with more videos. Keep watching. We'll be back.